you honking at, bro?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in a long time. So today is 4th of July and I'm going to be doing a prank on Timmy. Right now we are heading to one of the parks and this is the prank. So of course he doesn't know, but that's what we're gonna do. He's getting in the car now. So shh. What? Oh, we're gonna record today. Today is 4th of July. It is really hot out here. So I feel like it's been a minute since I recorded. So I thought, why not I record 4th of July? Since we have so many places we have to be today. We have like 3 different places.
No sleep today.
I mean, you slept in enough. I woke up at 7 in the morning because of Lucas. Right now we have to stop at the gas station. So, because Madi has to get ice for our cooler. Alright, for those who saw Lily's dance video, right, Lo? I still haven't received her CD yet, which is crazy. We did receive her photos, but not her CDs. I did use one of her photos as one of the thumbnails, so I hope you guys got to see that. So that's it. I mean, we got a long old hair there.
Oh.
Whose hair is this? Whose black hair is this, huh?
Who's that girl?
Who's that girl?
Who that chick?
That's what I want to know.
That's Lily.
Whose black hair is this? On your chin. On your chinny chin chin.
Don't worry about it.
What you mean don't worry about it?
Don't worry about it.
Boy, I won't even. I won't even get her.
Happy birthday, America! Happy 270. Wait, I got to do my math.
Do your math. 4th of July.
Happy 42nd birthday.
Alright, so for whoever knows the
242.
year or the amount of years it's been, please put it down on the comments below.
When did America
Is Timmy correct?
When did America declare its independence?
When?
I'm asking you.
Oh, I don't know. History was not my subject.
What day was it?
The 4th of July.
What did they sign?
Declarations of Independence. But what year was it?
What's the
Shoot,
basketball team?
I messed up my birthday year. I was like,
What's the
what year
Philadelphia
was I
basketball
born?
team?
Huh?
What's the Philadelphia basketball team?
Philadelphia. Right?
Philadelphia what?
Eagles?
No, basketball.
Oh, basketball. I don't know.
Oh.
I don't like basketball. What is it? You're not gonna say it?
76ers.
Oh. Why is it the 76ers?
Because in 1776, America declared its independence.
Oh.
And they signed it in Philadelphia.
Wow. How many of you guys knew that? I didn't know. I swear I didn't know. Is that sad that I didn't know? I feel real stupid right
You gotta
now.
watch sports.
To learn a little bit about history.
Sharing his potato chips. He's not sharing his potato chips, and I want one.
Lucas being greedy. I asked him for one and he turned the other way.
You know,
Kind of like
Pringles-
he ignored me and looked out the window.
You have one, and you just can't stop.
Like he couldn't hear me.
What's
I wonder
it now?
who he came out like. You.
Sure.
Why isn't anyone participating? Oh, nothing. Come on, people. Just a little. We're going to the water park. First stop, water park. First stop, water park. First stop, water park. First stop, first stop. I couldn't even say. First stop, water park. First stop, water park. Lily, are we cool? Because she's looking at me like we're not cool. Are we not cool? I can't keep this. So we had to stop to get something to eat. So I'm hoping he doesn't see the sign. We're trying to get him to go this way instead of going around the car. So it is working, thank God. So he didn't see the sign just yet. But let's see if we can make it to the location without him seeing the sign. So there was someone honking as we were getting in the car. That was funny. That lady, she kept honking and then she was looking our way. Damn, I'm hot, boy. My hot air in my face. Hi, Maddie. She's single, guys. That's single Maddie right there. Oh yeah, she got a son. Darn it. She got kids. She's got baggage. But who doesn't? Hit me up if you want to speak to Maddie.
Let's believe I don't be playing like that.
Why you gotta do some fireworks? What do you mean?
Because people are looking crazy. I'm not good, not signaling, honking at us without saying hi.
Why they honking at us? Because you're driving slow, maybe.
I'm going 60 and a 30.
So, hey, what's wrong with people then? Mine's going real fast. I thought the speed limit was higher than that. That's why. I thought you were slow, going slow. Mine's the water park.
Take a bathroom to here.
What is that? We gotta go again?
That's okay. What the freak you honking at, bro? What the hell, man?
Why are they all honking right
Yo,
now?
why is it always on 4th of July people gotta act stupid? And stand us, man.
Oh my God.
It's like the 6th person.
I know. People are acting crazy today. I don't know what the hell. And you're not even driving slow anymore.
I'm about to go home. Forget this.
What? You're going like what? 61?
I'm on 65. That's the cop.
65 now? I don't know why they acting crazy today. Like at a distance too, but I thought that wasn't for us. People keep honking. Must be something you're doing. The driver's always at fault. Yo, why Lucas? I was trying to get a booger out this morning on him and it landed right here, right? So he grabbed it and put it in his mouth. I saw that. I was like, ew, why Lucas? And he's there chewing on it and I'm like trying to swipe it out his mouth. He's nasty. I was like, you got that from your daddy. He's here just chewing on it. It was one of the hard ones too. Like a little slimy. So here's the water park. We're gonna go. There's a playground, barbecues, basketball court, a soccer court. It should be fun for the kids. He's gonna see the sign. Huh?
I'm moving her in there. She don't want to go out to you guys.
He didn't notice yet. He still haven't noticed, guys. What? He's smiling real hard. Oh, is that why they were honking?
serious? I was getting ready to curse the dude. I'm on following him, looking at him like, what the freak? And then he looked, and then when he honks at us, he doesn't go, hey.
Yeah, he looked real mean when he honked at us. There's my sign, honk at me. It's for a prank. Watch it on my Life with LNL YouTube channel.
You can see this, but hey, that's advertising.
That's the advertising right there. Buddy's like, I heard people honking. And then they were honking at the parking lot. The lady kept doing it. Yeah. And he gave us a dirty look too.
He's like, I ain't about to.
Alright guys. If you guys thought this was a great prank, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to know, if you guys want my cousin's number,
Honk.
honk at us. Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Bye.